Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Claude Code to do high quality, hyper-personalized, value-driven cold outreach on LinkedIn. So I'll explain to you on example what it will look like. So here's Bob, he is my ICP and I'm selling marketing services to B2B business owners. I'm helping them grow on LinkedIn so they can get more leads. So I wanted to reach out to Bob, and the first thing I want to do, I want to provide value. I don't want to be sending just text saying, hey Bob, do you want me to help you? No, this is BS, it's not actually working. So here's the message that I sent, here's the text, and then I'm sending the value. I'm basically saying, your LinkedIn profile packaging is not good enough, you can be converting better, and here is an improved packaging for you. Take it for free. So this thing, look at it, professional banner, professional picture, professional text, and it is all generated using Claude. I was not actually doing anything to get it, but for Bob, probably it looked like it was actually made by a human, or we spend a lot of attention to it, right? Because it looks so professional. And of course he says, sure, sounds good, thanks, and here's my email, send it over. So I successfully started a conversation with Bob by leveraging Claude for hyper personalization, and I'll teach you how to do it. So this video will have three parts. First of all, I'll show you how to find leads. Then I'll show you how to score them, because we want to be focusing our attention only on the best of the best. Here's how it looks like. This is my platform that I built using Claude Code, and I'll show you how you can do this same. And these are all the leads that I got. So I'm opening this lead and we're scoring them based on multiple factors: company size, LinkedIn presence, because this is important for me, location and buying power, etc, etc. So you will be able to score a lead based on any factor that you want. You will be analyzing their posts, their description, all the stuff that is presented on their LinkedIn. I'll show you how to scrape it. It is very easy, even if you're non-technical. And finally, after we score them, I'll show you how to prepare cold outreach messages with free value, just as I showed you. And in my case, they're getting 35% response rate, which is quite high. So let's dive in. So let's start with how to find leads. I'm using Sales Navigator for that. Here I just have a convenient way to search for leads. I'll just select the location, select the titles that I'm looking for, select any sort of other filters that I want, and then on the right side I will get a lot of results. And then I will start reaching out to them, so I will save them to the list, and I will start sending connections without any messages first. Because first we want to be connected with them, and there is a research that has proven that sending a connection request without any message has higher conversion rate if you compare to sending a message, because it looks like more salesy, something like that. So that's why I'm sending the connections first, and I'm using Claude Code for that. So I have this Claude application on my desktop. I will simply ask it to go through the lead list, send connections, because it's a manual work. I don't want to be using any third-party automations for that, but also doing it just by hands is too laborious, right? So after we have the connections, then the next step is to actually understand to whom we want to be reaching out to. For that reason, here in Sales Navigator, you can select only people who are already connected to you. You will just find here connections of, or here connection. You can select first degree connection. That means that we're already friends with these people. And this list I want to extract, download from Sales Navigator, and then process it using Claude Code so we can score the leads and generate something for that. Here's how to do it. I was thinking about the right approach for a long time and I figured it out. Here's how it works. Open this search. Now you have those people searched on the right side. Then you will just go here, and on the left you will copy this query. And then you will go to the service called Apify, apify.com. By the way, all the instructions will be down below, so you'll be able to open it and follow step by step, but now I'm just showing you the general process. This is the platform that helps you scrape any source of data, and it also helps you scrape the LinkedIn Sales Navigator data. So here's the specific scraper. I already used it. It is working quite well. So when you open it, and here there is an input, basically you need to provide a URL of the Sales Navigator to this thing, and it will give you all the results that are related to this search. You will also need to provide your LinkedIn cookies, because it needs to understand what is happening inside your Sales Navigator, because in our case we're searching our own connections, so this is important. From here, once we run this query, and once again the instruction will be down below how to use it, I can actually show you. Let's press try for free, we'll go to the console, and here, once it is loaded, here you just paste your search URL, and then here you're just pasting your cookies, It's also very easy to provide. Here's the instruction. You press here. It asks you to download a specific Chrome extension to extract your cookies. You put it here, and then you just press execute it, and then you will get all the results. Here are my runs that I was executing. As you can see, I scraped 600 my own connections. I was scraping only those guys who are founders, CEOs, business owners, etc., etc. So I got the whole list right here. In the outputs, it was available as a CSV table, and basically I just downloaded it and put it inside my Claude Code project, so now we can process it further down the line. So here's my Claude Code project. It is initialized in some way. You don't need to care about it. I will show you the instructions down below how you can set up your project, but basically I just created a project and pasted the whole list of these LinkedIn connections. So here's the whole list of these connections with all the columns like descriptions, LinkedIn URLs, everything like that. As you can see, there is so many different fields and sources of data that we can use to actually score our leads. On this stage, we already have our lead list, and now we're moving to the second part, which is scoring, right? So I will just ask Claude to analyze the whole list and according to my own metrics, score the leads and create an HTML page where I can easily access them. So here is the result that I got for myself, this admin page, and here is the whole list. I can search through them, I can filter them, so we have the final score from 1 to 10, how qualified is the lead. So as you can see here in this column, we have it. We can select only ideal fit, and it will show us only people whose score is at least 8. And here are all the leads to whom I am already connected to, and I can check them out. And obviously, it took some iteration to make the score actually reflect how relevant and how valuable is the lead to me. But after I nailed it, then I asked Claude to, hey, go ahead, score every single lead that we have inside. And by the way, you might be asking how Claude will be able to understand what is the score. We are connecting it to the Apify API, another actor, which is specifically for LinkedIn profiles. LinkedIn profile, let's search for that. One of these scrapers, I will also show it in the description, in the instruction below, which exact one. Basically, by connecting this specific scraper to Claude Code, we're allowing it to scrape any information about the person. So their company, their about section, their work experience, their current status, anything that might be important for you to score the lead. So Claude will be triggering Apify, getting all the information, scoring them, and showing you all this info in a beautiful way. I think that I was doing something very similar to what Clay does, but here I have all the flexibility. I don't need to know how to work with Clay. I don't need to spend my money on it. I can just do everything here internally inside Claude Code, which I really love because I'm a technical person. But even if you are non-technical, you just speak via text and that's it. And also qualification is important because so many leads are getting disqualified. So I can just show it to you. In this case, we don't have too much, but let's remove the score. Bam! We have 143 out of 600 right here disqualified because either they are from non-paying countries or there are some other things that are actually preventing us to reaching out to those people. And we're not spending our attention thinking about those guys, right? This is important because we're doing high quality, hyper-personalized, value-driven cold outreach. It's not 100% automated, it's 95% automated. So we still have some manual touch. For that reason, we want to be spending our attention on the leads who will never ever convert. So now, once we understood how to score them, we're moving to the third part, which is preparing cold outreach messages with free value for those people. So I'm basically, once again, going to Claude Code and explaining that in my case, we want to be preparing nice packaging for them, nice LinkedIn packaging. So I'm explaining how nice packaging looks like, and for that reason, in my case, I personally found great examples. For instance, this guy, let's say Adrian, or you can look at my own profile. It is actually well packaged. The banner is clearly communicating how I'm helping to my ICP build your personal brand and get inbound leads in just 1 hour per week. It is well designed, it has nice visual hierarchy, it has social proof. Here's my client, here's my YouTube stats, and by the way, I already have 15,000 because of Claude Code content, not 14,000, so we're growing. then we have professional profile picture, then we have good headline. So I'm just providing multiple examples of good packaging. And I'm asking, transcribe those messages, transcribe those images like a banner or profile picture, understand what makes this packaging great. And then based on that, use this to generate new packaging for people to whom we want to reach out to, right? And basically, I'm using here two APIs. One is API to once again scrape the data about the leads, and second is Kai AI to be able to generate images. So here it is. This is the API which is connecting you both to Nano Banana Pro and any other AI image generation models. And with that, we're able to generate this profile banner and improved profile picture. Let me show you a bit more examples on how it looks like. Here's the original profile of the person, right? It's not good, it's not yet optimized, but then here I will show you the improved version of the same profile. Here it is. So we generated a beautiful banner that is clearly communicating what this guy Aaron is doing. So as you can see, all these new banners and profile pictures, they are shown here also inside this HTML dashboard that I built using Claude Code, which is super convenient. And then we're just sending all this information to LinkedIn, where we are doing cold outreach. Hopefully it provides you a clear idea on how you can do hyper-personalized cold outreach with high conversion, specifically if you're selling high ticket, if you're selling B2B. This is really useful. So check out the instruction down below. You can set it up in less than 10 minutes, even if you're non-technical. And also, if you're interested, here's another video on how to use Claude Code to automate any sort of marketing tasks, from ads creation to content creation to cold outreach in some other different manners. So check it out.